We're at the DJI drone store. DJI is the most popular drone manufacturer in the world. Obviously built here in China, not far from us. The model that I picked was the Mav Air 2S. This is my second drone. My first one I bought was just a cheap POS, $150, $200, something like that, because I knew I had to learn how to fly before I'd wreck one of these more expensive ones. And that's what we did. I learned how to fly. I wrecked the other one so many times it won't even fly anymore. But pretty much feel comfortable and confident that got it down. The salesman that sold it to us has given us a full-length assembly, and not so much assembly, but unpackaging it and showing us all the options, and did a really nice job. This goes on for quite some time, about 15 minutes, so cut it short, and then you'll see here in a minute he'll take us outside to fly it. This drone has just about everything. It connects with satellites, up to 20-some satellites, and it just so stable, and you can do about anything with it. You can focus on an object and it will follow that object. It will follow your car down the road. He took it so high in the sky I couldn't even see it, and then push one button and the thing comes back immediately. Unbelievable.
要检查响应有没有装好。
给设定的。
它会立马会提示给你。
对。
啊，它现在这边还有一个 ASD。然后它就会民航它那个客机过来的时候，它会提醒你这个安全的问题。
好。
OK， 这个是一个前后避障，它现在提示的话，这个是前后有障碍物。What's that red?
Saying there's some obstacles around.
有问题，如果飞机有问题，它掉下来，这个高度也摔得不严重，但是如果它没有问题，我们直接会往外走。
After you unlock it, you push it up straight to the higher, the safety height, maybe like that. Is at this height, you just let it fly for a while, see everything okay. It's really. 就是现在你就什么都不用碰。
对，我们现在什么都不用碰。
Now he's not touching anything.
如果你电话来了，我直接在这里打电话。
He can also call, make a phone call.
Okay.
So now it seems like it's all okay. See?
Wow.
Keep going.
It'll go right back.
Yeah, it will stay in there.
That's cool.
Yeah. The camera stay level, no matter what the body goes.
OK， 然后我们这边的话是一个。
This is what I was talking about earlier. He focused himself through the controller.
See, he's following him around.
On an object, and the drone will follow him around. The drone will stay at a certain or the same altitude and just follow him around. You can follow a car around.